Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on TechTube, and in today's video I'm gonna walk you through on how to change the quality on Amazon Prime Video. It's really quick and easy, so let's jump right into it. From the home screen of your Prime Video app, just tap on your profile icon on the top right, and again tap on the settings icon which you see on the top right. Now the first setting that you will see is stream and download. You just tap on that option and tap on streaming quality. Now you'll have four choices. You just select the one depending upon your internet connection. If you want to use less data and if you have a slow connection, you can choose the data saver option, which is this one. It only uses 0.12 GB per hour of your data, and the best one uses 1.82 GB per hour of your data. Now this is more important when you're using cellular data, and if you select this option, this quality will depend upon the speed of your Wi-Fi. So you can choose any of these options. This also works for use while using Wi-Fi. And the other thing that you can also do is change the download quality. So if you tap on this option, it's the same thing. It has four options, and it also has an option of ask always. So depending upon which connection you're connected to, it will ask you each time you download, and you can choose on different options depending upon the speed. So that was a real quick video on how to change the quality on Amazon Prime Video. If this video helped you out, be sure to let us know, and if you are new to our channel, subscribe and also turn on that notification bell so you get notified for more future videos. That's gonna be all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.